What is up guys, Subtractor, and welcome back to my channel. So today is 20th of May and currently we are at Edinburgh. Now Edinburgh is like a place where there are many factory outlets of various brands and you get stuff cheap. So currently we are at Edinburgh and I'll show you guys what is it, and yeah, let's see. Right now we're at the Nike outlet and it's like, I would say not a lot of discounts, but like yeah, it's fine. I mean, if you want to buy stuff in bulk, this is probably the place to do it. I mean, look at these $60 shoes, $70 shoes. I mean, they're fine. 64, I think I saw, yeah, a $40 shoe. Find every kind of Nike product in here. Just look at this. Tracksuits, shirts, there are shoes all over that place, and then like every kind of apparel, sports gear, I think too. Look at this. So cool. So yeah, I just took this one. Let's try this out. This one's size 9.5, it's like, you know, not fitting me, so I need a 10 of this one. The shoes are pretty sexy, but the prices, I mean, they're not very less. I mean, I would say like, you know, you can find them online at the same price. So yeah, but the collection is huge. I mean, like, if you're a Nike fan, then you should sure visit. And you'll probably visit other outlets too. So yeah, let's see. I just got this one. Let's see, it's size 10.5, so let's see. Okay, so I found this one for around $60 plus some off. So I think these are pretty cool. I mean, look at the structures. These are air structures or something. I don't exactly know the name of, but like these look really cool. They're very comfy too. So yeah, I'm thinking I'll probably take these. Let's see. Look at my friend's shoes. So we're out of Nike and we are at Gap factory right now. So yeah, let's check out here. They're like huge warehouses. Okay, so we found Under Armour. So let's take a look inside. Like a ton of shoes to choose from, but like they're just so pricey. Just look at this shoe. It's like damn sexy, but it's like $140. So yeah. This is like the craziest place ever. Just look at this, bro. The number of Funko Pops. Look at this. Taking this one, a Thor, and I'm thinking of taking a Doctor Strange maybe or something. Let's see. Got this Spider-Man and a Thor from the toy shop. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. So we are having a quick bite now, and then after this we'll go to Adidas. So finally at Adidas, and let's see. Design is pretty cool, quite like that, and it's like, I think Adidas is cheaper than Nike. It's like this one's right $80 listed over here, and I think there's an additional 50% off.
These ones are not 80. These ones are $100.
Okay, so these ones are like 100, but it's like, I think it's cheaper than Nike, somewhat cheaper. Let's go on and try these. Quite like them. So yeah, I finally bought these, my first pair of shoes at Edinburgh. So yeah, let's see. So we're out of Adidas and now we're heading to Puma. These all are for $35. That shelf over there, this one, that. These are like pretty cool shoes, not bad at all. Look at this, classic Puma shoes. So I quite like this one. It has like a cool orange tone to it. Yeah, I quite liked it. Let's see, let's try it out. Okay, so I got one pair at Puma and I'm looking at another pair here at Adidas, which is like a high top, which looks like really cool. So I bought another shoe at Adidas. It's like a green colored high top, white and green with green accents. It's like really cool and I got it for $42. So like, yeah, really cheap. And now we are at Lee and Wrangler, I guess. Let's see. A jeans like this. It's like a really cool color. This is like the clearance section. They are like, these are like $20 or something, 15. You can even find $10 shin jeans. So yeah. This is a shop called Journeys, but it has like shoes from all kind of brands. You have Converses, Vans, and then some like really cool New Balances. Look at this New Balance. Damn. Everyone's going crazy on this one. Look at these New Balances. And the funny thing is, like, everyone's wearing the same shoe.
It's crazy.
I mean, people are going crazy about this New Balance. Damn. Everyone's like dripping like crazy. Okay, so final shopping from Nike, and I think we're finally done with Edinburgh. Like, we spent a lot. So yeah, that is basically the condition right now. Look at this. I mean, yeah, our car's boot is filled. I mean, we literally have no space right now. So yeah. Okay, so we just got back from Edinburgh, and I would like to show you guys what all shoes I bought from Edinburgh. So these are the 5 pair of shoes I bought. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they are like very, very pretty and sexy pair of shoes. This is the first pair of shoe I bought. I bought it from Adidas, as you can see, and it's like a really cool orange color, a mix of orange yellow, and it's like so pretty. And I got this for actually, like, you won't even guess it, like $32. It's like so cheap. This was like flat 50% off, and actually Adidas had 50% off on everything, like in-store sale of 50% off. So I got these for $32. Okay, now moving on to the next one. These I also found from Adidas. There's like very classic high tops from Adidas, and I also got these for, I don't remember exactly, like something around, I think $40 or something, which is also very cheap. But yeah, just look how pretty these shoes are. Okay, so the next one I got, these are from Puma, and these are like some very basic joggers, but very stylish, and I like the very fluorescent accent on the shoes, and also that black stripe that goes in the middle. Quite liked it. Look at them, so pretty. Okay, moving on to the next one, and oh sorry, I think I bought them for what, $35. They were on the clearance shelf, so like, yeah, $35. Now moving on to the next one. These are New Balances. I don't exactly remember the number. I think New Balance 534 or something. And yeah, I spent a lot on these. These were around $100, $97 something. So $100, yeah. I I spent a lot on these, but look at them. Like I just couldn't pass them, you know. Like I saw them and I was like, I need to get my hands on these. So yeah, these are the New Balances I got. And the last pair of shoes I got was these, and I quite liked the maroon color on these and the Nike logo, and I just wanted a Nike shoe because I don't own any Nike shoes, so I wanted a Nike shoe. So I think it's a good start. The next time I go there, I'm definitely buying a Jordan, but yeah, I quite like the shoes, and this I also got for around, I think, $40. So yeah, pretty cheap. Yeah, that's everything I got from Edinburgh. I mostly bought shoes. Actually, only bought shoes. I did not buy like anything else like shirts or pants or something like that. Only shoes, 5 pair of shoes. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video because Edinburgh is like, people always talk about Edinburgh, and Edinburgh you can find cheap prices over there. So I just wanted to make a video while I am at Edinburgh. So my final verdict on Edinburgh is like, it's a good place. Like you guys can take a road trip to Edinburgh, and it's actually like you can find outlets of most brands over there. Nike, Adidas, Puma, whatever it is, most brands over there. You can find everything. So if you guys want to shop in bulk, you guys can go with your friends to Edinburgh and like chill out and check out. The prices, I would not say like they are very less, but yeah, if you are lucky and you get your hands on a pair of shoes that you have been wanting and it's on clearance, so yeah, who knows, you might get lucky. So yeah, it's like a good place to go and shop over there. That's it for this vlog, and if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe like a snare, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.